Hey, hey. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I'm just showing you how I was able to maintain my 4C high puff on short to medium length hair for a 4-day period. So I went in with my oil after spraying my hair, and this was to just break up the cast of the gel as well as lock in some of the water that I sprayed in. Then I'm going in and adding some more gel to the perimeter of my hair, which I will brush in. From here, I just kind of make sure I pull my hair forward to cover the band. If you notice, I didn't put it back as far as I did the day before. Then I went in with some Gatsby glue to straighten out those edges a little and try and do some swoops. You know how I am with those swoops. So I gave it a try anyway. Also, be sure to pick out your hair after it's dried a bit so that you can pick it into the correct form that you want it in. But make sure you go ahead and tie your scarf to try and make it cover your front and your back evenly and as much as possible. So try to prevent from tying it or knotting it until your final tie, if that makes sense. Okay? Okay, so you noticed that my back held up pretty good throughout the day, but this time I made sure to tie it in the front because I'm going to sleep and I wanted it to stay put as much as possible, and I even kind of covered my puff some, and that way it worked out well when it was time to shower and stuff like that. Now this was the fourth morning, so the puff is just looking kind of crazy, and I'm just trying to get stuff going. You feel me? So instead of brushing it straight back, I gave myself kind of a swoop. As I brushed, I did add more gel and everything. Same process that I used the days before. I didn't video the day before because it was literally the same process. But I knew this was going to be the last day for me, and I wanted you guys to see how my puff was looking. So that's that on that. can see, I went in with the Got to Be Glued on top of the regular Eco Styler gel because, like I said, it was the last day and I knew that my wash day was coming up soon, so I was fine with my hair being extremely stuck in place, and that's kind of what happened. So since your puff won't be looking as fresh as it did on day 1, 2, or 3, really take time on your edges to try and, give yourself a more polished look, so to speak. But yeah. So as you can see, for this day, since it was the last day, my puff wasn't looking as good as it should have. So I just went in with some Eco Styler gel and randomly picked spots to twist. And once it dried, I tried to fluff it out. So you may want to do the same. Tonight is night 4 of the hot puff, and instead of wrapping it up, I'm just calling it a day on the puff. I've taken it down from the contraption that it was back in, and so I just took it loose, and that's pretty much it. This is how to maintain your hot puff for up to 4 to 5 days, depending on what you got to do. Okay, so this is going to be part of a series of just puffs in general on medium length to short length hair, 4C hair in particular, hair that doesn't necessarily always work on all the other styles. So I'm just trying it out for us 4C girls. And so yeah, this is going to be part of that series. I really hope you enjoyed this video. My hair it's in need of a washing. So as you saw, I put the Got to Be Glued in my hair, so my hair is pretty much I can't do nothing else with this besides wash it at this point. And that's what I was gonna do. I was gonna do a wash, deep conditioner, and my LCO method. I do plan on having another LCO method video coming up for the people who are interested, and you'll be able to see that soon coming up on the channel. But other than that, thank you so much for tuning in, and be sure to check out all of the other videos in this series. There are more to come. I have an entire list, so be sure to follow me on all of my social platforms at Ayata J. That's IYATAJAY. Thanks. Bye.